Our strategy was to expand the same philosophy that we have at group level, as we express also here in India, that is a typically male-dominated environment. So we started from offices, and then now we expand also to our plant premises, creating this EV assembly line that is fully operated by women workers. What I want to remark is this is only the starting point. We have a long way to go in front of us, and we'll have more and more inclusion of women both at assembly line, plant premises, and offices.
Diversity at workplace is extremely important because it fosters innovation and growth. The strategy at Piaggio was to provide to all the women employees economic independence, parity of opportunities, which includes career development, and most important, escalating them to managerial and leadership positions.